went ahead and activated the gyro on my Skylink receiver, so you know, it kind of seems to help. I didn't like that too much, did it? Dead. For some dumb reason, the car's cutting out on me. I don't know if it's a battery or not. I mean, it's not a very old battery. I just don't take good care of my battery, so that's the problem. You can see how when I give it a little bit of gas, then it starts gyrating, and then it stops. Yeah, it's gyrating. That's it. I'll have to put it on the bench and see what happened. I think the maybe the spur gear got chewed up, or maybe the pinion gear is slipping. I'm not sure, but you can hear it. Listen. Sounds pretty good. I was wondering why it was going so slow. All right, guys, I got it on the bench. What do you think? Is it the pinion spinning, or is it the spur chewed to death? I kind of think it's the spur, but I've already looked. Look at that thing, man. Happens every time. I mean, it just takes little chunks out of it, kind of like Jaws, you know, and it just chews into the plastic. The thing about the pinion gear is I can't get it any further back because it just won't go back any further. The shaft on the BLX 100 motor, whatever this motor is for Spectrum, that guy right there, it's a little bit longer than what you'd have like on the 85 amp system, you know. And so the shaft is longer and, of course, larger diameter. And what happens there is you have to drill a hole in it just so the shaft won't rub against the, you know, protective housing. So, yeah, a lot of debris in there, but I think it's mostly just plastic from the, you know, from the gear itself. All right, you guys, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.